Introducing the all-new flagship grill light. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. After conducting extensive tests and reviewing customer feedback, we realized that the original flagship models are a bit heavy for everyday use. Well, not anymore. That's right, all flagship grills are designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill in your kitchen. They are specifically engineered to remove excess fat and moisture from the cooking surface, and the dry heat helps to lock in flavor with substantially less cholesterol. Specially shaped ridges evenly transfer heat to ensure that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the flagship grill. As tasty and much healthier. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, flagship grills are naturally non-stick. Even if you're not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are. Food always has better flavor when it's grilled on cast iron, and flagship takes taste to the next level. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean with just hot water and a brush. Dry with a towel and it'll last a lifetime. And follows you everywhere. The flagship grill light takes up practically no space in your bag when you go camping and gives you the same perfect results, even when used without a skillet. Please support our campaign. There's no need to sacrifice flavor for health. After all, you can have your steak and eat it too.
After 5 successful Kickstarter campaigns, we want to honor our Dutch heritage. Meet the Tasman, also available in red. This is the Dutch oven we created together with our 20,000 backers, and we added a cast iron grill to go with it. The best part? It's made out of cars. Say what? Yes, the Tasman is made from recycled cast iron, strong as ever and an incredible all-rounder. Let's go from cars to cast iron. It's ready to be used every day for every dish and built to last for generations. The Tasman can be used on all heat sources, and all for a fair price. As always, we asked our 20,000 crowd cookware backers for input. We've tested prototypes at backer parties, and we invited you to test it too. Right, guys?
Yummy! Come here to my other crowd cookware. Look at that!
Isn't that amazing?
This is our way of making an impact.
Yes, we can!
Lamb chops are chopped for a reason. The finest culinary experience ever. On a grill? No. In Airtaste. Experience all the finest flavors in one big nutritious bite. Airtaste's patented air layer gives you more control over temperature, so no burning away all those nutrients and no harmful smoke. Burning food is a thing of the past. How do you make frozen fish taste like it was caught fresh from the ocean? No water, no oil, just Airtaste. Its air layer technology defrosts and cooks all at the same time, retaining all the healthy nutrients, making sure it tastes just like fresh salmon. While regular pots concentrate all the heat at the bottom, the heat on Airtaste comes from all directions, creating a controlled, steady cooking experience free from mess, without boiling over. You can also turn that whole chicken into the juiciest and tenderest meal ever. How? In Airtaste. It creates an oven-like environment on your stove thanks to its air layer technology. You can even put your Airtaste in the oven if that's your jam. In Airtaste. Really? Yes, really. Because Airtaste isn't a pot. It's Airtaste. It can cook anything, even if you're not looking. Just look at that. Live now on Airtaste. I mean Indiegogo. Back this campaign now. You need Airtaste. Wait, I need Airtaste.
Hi, I'm Raghav.
And I'm Tom. I'm an engineering science professor at the University of Oxford, where I work on heat transfer and aerodynamics. I'm also a mountaineer, and on a mountaineering trip I had an idea for a more efficient pan.
After meeting Tom, I was intrigued by his passion for solving problems. When I shared my experience with large-scale cookware manufacturing, we saw an opportunity to work together. Conventional cookware only heats from the bottom. Our patented fin design guides heat across the bottom and up the sides of the fire-up touch-up, resulting in faster and more even heat distribution, saving energy each time.
Adding fins to the pan takes more heat out of the hot plume and makes it more efficient. We spent a few years optimizing it, and the result is this product.
We're excited to launch the 5-liter cast iron touch-up.